Hi guys, I went a little over time, so I'm going to keep this very brief. The second lecture cut me off. I have a 15-minute time allowance there, but I'm just going to be real brief and finish our ethical discussion here. I left off at justice, talking about fairness, how basically are you treating people fairly, right? And thinking of all of this through the lens of project management. And again, beneficence, acting with charity and kindness, and then non-maleficence, which is first do no harm. And usually in medical school, all aspiring physicians take this oath, right? First, do no harm, making decisions which minimize the harm of your participants or patrons of your facility, your members, your fitness center members. That's who I interacted with in my previous job when I worked in health and wellness and managed the fitness center for Smith and Nephew. Again, you're making decisions looking at the entire well-being of your population. And your ethical, I believe your ethical foundation has probably been established by now. That doesn't mean that it cannot be changed or influenced. And you want to think in terms of ethical behavior. Ethical behavior always pays off. That has been researched previously. Ethical behavior is good for business. It means that your population, your patients, your clients, anyone you're interacting with in the public can rely on you and count on you, that you will treat them fairly, that you have their best interest at heart. So that is kind of our wrap up for our second lecture in module 1. And I just want to make sure that you feel comfortable with the material that's been covered. Of course, you have your you have your textbook to review the chapters and read through the chapter. You can also make sure that you are taking notes while you're studying the PowerPoints. Those are all helpful tools to feel prepared for our first exam. I hope you're all doing well, and I look forward to working with you the rest of these 5 weeks. Thanks.